Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm in the garden today and we're looking at our greenhouse. One of our winter jobs is to clean the greenhouse, and I've only got a little 6x4 polycarbonate greenhouse and it's a bit too small really. I've got to try and make the most of it. So I've chosen a mild day to do the greenhouse, as my overwintering plants doesn't want to be too confused if we take them out in the cold. If you do decide to clean your greenhouse on a cold day, maybe just put your winter plants indoors, just keep them out of the cold. But it gives us a good chance to remove the old debris, and our plants are even still flowering even in the greenhouse. Really good. So I'm going to get all these out and give it a clean. Leeks are growing, and some of the onions. How much junk do you have in your greenhouse? So a good rule of thumb, if you don't use it, don't put it back in there. That's easy to say. So we're down to our empty greenhouse, and now we can see there's a few snails been living in here, and it's given us a empty canvas for us to give it a clean. So cleaning the greenhouse kills off any pests, any bugs or any diseases, and also lets in more light. So start going. So I've given the floor a good sweep and found many snails hiding in the corners, and now we can give the sides and the roof a good old clean. So let's get some detergent and some water and give it a go. So I'm just using antiseptic disinfectant, and J's fluid will do just as well. We've got a bowl of soapy water, and we're just going to get on and give it a clean. it's always worth checking if there's any repairs to be made and if there's any plants sort of growing inside the greenhouse. My lovely wisteria. Also little jobs like fixing the window. So we've been round and give it a good clean. We can't get round the back, which is why there's rubbish behind the back. I do want to move this greenhouse one day, and I keep thinking of doing it, but I've not got round to it. But anyway, looks all nice and clean again now, and we can put our staging back in. So one good point is don't drop your video camera in the bowl of water, because that doesn't help. So it's time to give these shelves a bit of a clean. As you can see, there's lots of waste and old seeds, so they can get a clean before they go in. So as the light fails, we've got our new set of shelves. We've got a potting bench, and we've also upcycled a table, which we can also use for our seedlings. So one last job to do is just going to go through, tidy up some of these plants, removing the dead leaves and any broken ones, and they can be kept in the greenhouse for our overwinter. So here we go, our nice clean greenhouse with our begonias and our overwintering fuchsias and our potting table all sorted just before dusk. And we haven't taken as much stuff back in as that we took out. So light is failing rapidly. I need to put some of this rubbish back in the greenhouse and tidy it up. So have you cleaned your greenhouse, and do you hold a lot of rubbish in your greenhouse too? Let me know in the comments if I'm not the only one that does that. But still, need to give a bit of a tidy and a good spring clean for the spring ahead. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much.